Down the leg side. Once again, that's in the gap towards fine leg. Boundary. Now, that's up in the air, in the gap towards mid-wicket. Nobody there. And it will be another boundary. First one. And also, Cricket Association for the Blind in Andhra Pradesh. Trying to make sure the cricket grows here and the runs also grow on that note. Oh, brilliant. Wonderfully timed that one towards long on. And the ball will reach the boundary ropes. In his first over, Ranjit guides him saying here, here, here. Lofted drive over the top. Boundary towards long off. Costly over of the shot. Yeah, see. Drive straight to Suresh but drops it. He went for the catch and he also does not save the boundary. In short extra and deep extra. So he was there for the catching position. Wrong ball, wrong ball. That gets the treatment towards deep mid wicket. Boundary here again, back to back. Apeshli played, will go over the head of Venkatesh Munikaran this time, but the ball all reverse. And that's in the gap towards the deep mid wicket. Boundary was a too wide, and he'll punish that one behind the keeper. Boundary for Deepak Singh. He's not going to miss. Story under their belt been really nice. And once again, the ball follows Suresh and goes behind square leg on another boundary here. Costly. Comes from that Salem Mavatam. Good shot. Straight to Suresh at square leg. Again, does not feel. Apeshli played again straight to Sanjay, but he will not cut it across. Boundary. Again moving slow. Huge appeal and has been given out. Right. As Suresh strikes. Gambhir was saying it was off the. Nice loft to drive for a couple of runs. Two's the call. Nobody there at deep mid wicket. They can go for even more than two. Shared his side of the story in the post-match presentation that he did not have probably a little time to prepare. Huge appeal. That should be close and has been given out. Any opportunity to run, it would be counted legally for sure. Huge appeal, but that's has been given out. Right. Praveen's estate. Gambhir will be inflicting a run out now. Rajesh want appeal, but the impact was outside the line of off stump. Last ball of the 16th over. Bowled, gone. And Sendil Kumar does not get. Apesh in the air and taken. Ranjit has been dismissed here via